Good morning, everybody. So, in our previous lesson, I was able to explain to you the entire project that you will be working on with your group members. Today, what we're going to discuss is how we can find information about our culture. One of the vocabulary words that I want to point out is works cited page. This is an additional page that you will be adding to your Google slide. Works cited page basically is a list of sources that you have used in your research project. It could also be called a bibliography. We have done something like this in previous projects, so I just want to refresh your memory about how it's done. Keep a works cited list in your Google slide. This should be the last slide in your presentation. For each article, book, or website you use, record the following information: the author's name, last name, first name, the title, and the date it was published. You will type this up and it should be on the last slide of your presentation. Here is an example of a works cited page if we're using a website. So here we have the website from the history. It's from history.com. It's about the Taj Mahal. So what I did here was I put the website history.com, comma, the Taj Mahal, which is the title, and then I would look through the website to see what year it was published. And this is what you need to add to the last page of your Google slide. You should have at least 3 sources in your works cited page. If you have more than that, that's perfect. But the least amount should be 3. Let's say you have a book at home or you found a book online that you're using. This is an example of how you would cite the book that you use. Branscombe Allison. Okay, so that's the last name, first name of the author, the title, All About China, and what year it was published, 2014. Be sure to use this as an example for any other resources you are using throughout this project. For the remainder of the period, you are working with your group members to research and brainstorm ideas about one of these topics that you have already chosen. Remember, if you haven't done so already, the leader of the group should have made a copy of the activity sheet, made a copy of a Google slide, and shared it with all group members, the both of them. The Google Doc and the Google slide should be shared with all group members. And the leader should have also attached the Google slide and the Google Doc to the assignment from the previous lesson in Google Classroom. I hope that I was able to reiterate about what a works cited page looks like. Please be sure to add that to your project in Google Slides. Have a wonderful day. Reach out to me if you need me. Pupil path for email, private message in Google Classroom. Bye.